मेरी बुझाई भी है विश गुड भी है
तेरी विश गुड भी है
ओके हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी
ठीक है
Zindagi these days. Good morning, guys. And it is Friday today. Heading to work. These days we are actually starting at 9 o'clock. And I will see you guys after the work. Okay, this is how it looks. Super full. This looks super yummy. Why am I kidding? I'm eating. Look at this, guys. Sanjay got me so many bangles. Glass bangles. How pretty they are. They're glass bangles. I don't know where from did he get it. But I just love these. Nice wine, flowers, and cake. And it looks beautiful. And I will wear these Chooriyan. And this is the outfit that I'm going to wear right now. This is from J. Dot.
For now.
Here.
ये सही है
हाँ. Okay.
देख
तेरी बुझाई भी है विश गुड भी है
तेरी विश गुड भी है
Happy birthday to me. Taking the
तू घर गए
मेरी तो पे खड़ा था. Cheers. कुछ खाना स्वाद नहीं मेरे It's good. It's not that sweet, which is good. Thank you, Sanjay. They all grown up in our own mini garden. As you can see, the chilies are ready to. Nice. There's one more. Oh, actually, there's bigger one. Oh, actually, there are so many. Didn't even see it. Nice. Salad. That's yummy salad. We we're here to watch a new Bollywood movie. The name of the movie is Sayara, and the time right now 10 o'clock, and the show time is 10:05. So we are here. So just came from the movie. It was super duper entertaining. We loved the story, the direction, and the music. So anyways, it was really a good watch. I would definitely recommend it. So anyways, right now we are home and the time is 1:30. So anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. So today we are making chai paratha and anda. Okay, so this is our yummy breakfast. Okay, so right now we are going for groceries. It is Saturday, time is 7:42. We had a nice nap for 1.5 hours. Anything. I'm gonna put these stamps on this one. 4 more to go to get a set of glass. These glasses. Nice. And now we are heading to have our favorite black coffee at Starbucks. World's best black coffee you can get there. Iced coffee. Enjoy the best coffee ever. Sit, Babu, sit. Babu, sit. So good, guys. This summer we did not visit that much because we decided to stay home, relax. For some reason we actually did not feel like going out. And other reason was this summer was quite hot. Every weekend we had like heat warning, so there was no point to go out and barbecue, or we didn't even go in parks, cook, eat and sleep and then repeat the cycle. we enjoy staying home, to be very honest. It's sort of I don't know, it is sort of rejuvenating staying home. So yeah. So these little moments, like having black coffee, groceries, taking naps, cooking, watching TV, we really enjoy these days. I don't know, maybe it's like age, maybe it's a factor of age or something. We are getting old. This is the life these days. No, zindagi these days. After having coffee, we're gonna go home, set up the groceries, preserve everything, all the green veggies and greens. And today's plan is to watch series Do Gubbare. People are saying that is a hidden gem, right, Sanjay? So yeah, this is a plan. So let's finish this coffee and let's go home. And I'll see you there. We're home. Let's set up this grocery. Coriander, and we put it into the napkin without washing. This way it remains fresh for at least 2 weeks. We're going to put these curry leaves in a container same as this into the napkin, and this way it is going to remain fresh for 1 month at least. Yeah. Same thing with mint. And we are going to put this into the fridge. So I separated the grounds of these green chilies, and I'm going to put them into the napkin and store in the fridge. I'm making raita for our pulaus. So we are just going to make the paste of mint, green chilies, and green coriander, and we're going to freeze it. So anytime when we need to make raita, we're just going to take out some portion. So I'm going to freeze in small portions this mixture, this paste, and then anytime when we want to make raita, we are going to take it out from the freezer and freeze it and prepare the raita. Super duper quick and easy. Okay guys, so we have set up the groceries. Everything is done. Cleaned kitchen. And there are some fireworks going on. Not too sure why. So that's pretty much it for today's vlog. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there is a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.